Hey everybody, here's the new addition to the muscle car ranch. It's a 1965 Chevy 2. It's a factory V8 car. It's a factory air car. Has the AM radio with the rear antenna. It's an automatic and it has 46,000 actual miles. It's an Alabama car. All original body, original interior. This car is just spectacular. It's unbelievable how nice this car is. I bet, but they're still cars worth buying because they have such nice bodies on them. I've had a lot of Alabama cars. In fact, my heavy Chevy is from Alabama. They're both factory air cars, all that kind of stuff. And it's just amazing how nice all this is. Right there's the factory air. There's the AM radio. Can't really get a... Anyways, here's the speedometer. You really can't see the 4, but it's a 46,000. And everything in this car works. It's just unbelievable how nice this car is and how original it is. It's got all original glass. I'll show you the trunk here too, because the trunk is phenomenal too. It's unbelievable. And the keys actually have the knockouts. Let's see if I can get a picture of this. Yeah, the keys actually still have the knockouts on them with the numbers. And I need to go get a set because these are about wore out. These are always in somebody's pocket a lot. But here's the trunk. I'll take these boxes out. That's grocery getting there for the Mrs. For Mrs. Gearhead. This trunk is phenomenal. You look all in it. You look under here. This thing is just killer. And this also has a trunk light in it. I put a set of air shocks on it. Right there's the valve. There was a factory hole right there, a plug, so I just took it out. You can see the wire right there. That goes to the light, which is, I don't know if I can get it, but it's right over here in this corner. But this is just, and another thing too, like the quarter panel numbers. I don't know if I can get this. Let me see, try the other side. But you can still see the quarter panel numbers and the rocker panels on a 65 Nova. The rocker panel numbers right there. You can see the number. Yeah, that's just amazing. The other side is even better. This also has the original rear bumper on it, and it has the GM part number stamped right underneath where the license tag's at. It's got the GM part number. You see right here? Right there's the GM rocker number. In 65 they stamped them right in the rockers. You just can't get no better than that. You can see up here where like all the spot welds. You can see back here the spot welds and everything. You just can't get any better than that. So anyways, we'll wrap this video up. Here's the heavy Chevy. This is the first time I've started it in probably, I don't know, 3-4 months. I moved it because I got to change some lights in the garage, so I thought I'd get it out. And it's going to go in the body shop here in about 2 weeks. So, but it's going to go to a different body shop. It's going to go to Ott's Body Shop over in Monroeville. And Woody bought that body shop. He ran it for 25 years and he bought it. So it's going to go over there. And Jay has come up with a hernia that they can't fix. He just can't do the cars anymore. He's got one in there now. It's been in there since January and he's not even half done with it. So But anyways, I wrapped this video up. It's my phone doesn't have all the storage in it like it should. So, but anyways, the old heavy Chevy, she's going to be all orange here by spring, anyways. And the only thing I got left to do to it, actually, I wouldn't have to, but I got to fit the new rear bumper on it. Make sure that fits on it good, because that's the old original bumper right there. So get that, and then, anyways, I'll wrap this up. But I thought I'd do a video. I haven't done one for a while, so I thought I'd do it with the new edition, the 65 Nova. I sold the 36 Coupe. There was a guy up by Cleveland that his dad had a 35, and he really wanted the car, so I just sold it to him. And then I decided to get another car, and then I found this Nova. So it's a nice car, and I don't know that if I'll sell it for a long time because it's so nice. I've had these original body cars before, and I sell them and then I regret it. So this one here is really, really clean, and it's really, really original. In fact, it's a numbers match car. It's got the original 283, original automatic transmission, power glide, and it's got the original rear end in it. I checked all that, and it's a very original car. And to think, a 65 Nova that's all original, 55 years old, that survived the street racers and the drag racers, never got a hold of this car. So it's amazing. So I'm going to let it go at that, and you guys have a good one. Subscribe, and I'll see you.